guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Fallon. On this channel, I share lifestyle, travel, beauty, cleaning, and home decor content. So if that's something you enjoy, make sure you subscribe down below. And to all of my returning subscribers, welcome back. In today's video, I'm doing a deep clean in my home. I'll be deep cleaning my fridge, my kitchen, decluttering, and finally taking down all of my Christmas decorations, y'all. My house definitely needed a reset. So if you enjoy cleaning motivation and a good home refresh, this video is definitely for you. Let's get into it. So now I'm starting by deep cleaning the fridge that we keep in our garage. This fridge definitely needed a good deep clean because we haven't used it in over a year, guys, and it had a lot of buildup inside. I had to remove all of the shelves, scrubbed everything down, cleaned them one by one, let them dry, and then put everything back once everything was nice and clean. And now the fridge smells so good, you guys. Next, I moved on to the fridge inside the house. This one also needed a deep clean because I realized I had a lot of food in there and some of it had already expired. So I went ahead and decluttered everything, threw away what needed to go, and cleaned the entire fridge before putting everything back in. Sometimes we just don't get to eat everything within a week and the food starts going bad. Now moving on to the dishwasher. My dishwasher also needed a deep clean because it started getting some buildup and mold. I usually use my dishwasher as a drying rack. Don't judge me, y'all. When I wash my dishes by hand, so moisture can build up in there. As I spray some Clorox, let it sit for a little while, and then ran a full cycle, everything came out squeaky clean. Something unexpected happened. My Christmas tree actually fell over because of the wind while the garage door was open. Some of my glass decorations broke and that really broke my heart, so I had to clean that up as well. As you can see here, I'm just putting the tree and decorations into garbage bags until next Christmas. After that, I swept the floor and mopped everything down. By the time I was finished, the whole house was looking clean and smelling good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate the support and I love you guys. Mwah.